What is happening, y'all? It's Neff with Nocturnal Labs once again. I'll bring you guys a quick video. I've had a lot of people ask me some questions like, have I repainted my vehicle, or what have I done to keep it so shiny? Well, I'm gonna tell you guys what. I have not repainted it. It is a 2009 factory paint. I just keep it nice and clean. It's never actually lived in a garage. Ever since I bought this beast, it's been sleeping outside. So it's rain, snow, heat, everything it's been getting. But I'm gonna show you guys really quick how I keep it so shiny. So if you look, this is the rear quarter panel, and you can see, you pretty much see every little piece on it. You actually see me recording on it. If you look closely though, I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can see all the orange peel and stuff from factory. Like, it's never been polished, never really had anything done to it but washed. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I use two products which I've been using for the past probably year and a half. I got this chemical, guys, Swift White waterless car wash. I usually use this first, well, second, because I use a pressure washer to get all the heavy dust and dirt and stuff off of it. And then the magic solution. This, boom, ceramic 3-in-1 wax. This thing is awesome. Little expensive, but this is what I've been using, and it shines really good. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Oh, and by the way, for the tires, I keep them nice and black. I use this Doctor Mecánico Extreme. Really good. So this is what I do first. I'm gonna show you. Let me grab my rag. So first step I do, I grab the waterless car wash. I just spray a little bit. Right? Show you guys. Grab your microfiber towel and just wipe that bad boy clean. Right? Keeps it really nice. And you wipe it nice and clean, get all that surface dust and stuff off of it. And then I even use the same rag. And here's the magic potion. Oh, let me open it. Here's the magic. Quick spray. Right? And I use the same rag. And this is just a quick wipe on, wipe off. And that's the magic. I don't know if both chemicals cause a crazy reaction or whatever, but it comes out super soft and it looks like a mirror. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my rag on my hand. Oh, that looks so nice. So that's the secret, guys. Here it is once again. Ceramic 3-in-1. Awesome product. And chemical, guys, waterless car wash. I always use this one first. Well, sorry, second, after I pressure wash the vehicle. So you got this one second, and this is the last step I use. And obviously you want your tires nice and shiny, use this. Here you go, one more time. I can see my whole self on that panel. Alright, y'all, so that's all I got. And make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe and follow for more. I'm gonna have more tips and tricks of the trade. Peace.